either CGMA students. So this is notes 5.5 part 2. The second level you have to do is solve for equations with fractions or rational numbers. So basically what this looks like, very similar to the one-step problems and two-step problems that we've been doing, that when we see division, we multiply. So for instance, on this one, I multiply exactly by the denominator. That cancels out. C is equal to 35. And why does that make sense? Because 35 divided by 5 does give me 7. Just like on this one, I'll multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Those cancel out, and t is equal to 24. And why does that make sense? Because 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Now let's say you made a mistake. And yes, I want you to write this down. Let's say that instead of doing times 3, you did times 8 on both sides. Right? And you got 64 is equal to t. Then you should ask yourself, is 64 divided by 3 really 8? And hopefully you should say, no, it's not. That's the benefit of understanding your checks. You'll never get anything wrong if you actually understand it. Very quickly, they have the same stuff with two-step equations, where you add -4 here because it's already a positive 4. So I bring down s over 8 is equal to dssm, different signs subtract. I have more positive, so 11 minus 4 does stay positive 7. And then the second step is multiply exactly by the denominator. So s in this case is equal to 7 times 8, or 56. And again, if you plug this back in, 56 divided by 8 is 7, and 7 plus 4 is 11, which is exactly what we wanted. So on this one, it's the same thing. It's just reversed, kind of. They have the answer on the left-hand side. So you add -4. Again, this is a DSSM. Different signs subtract. Keep the sign we have more. So 7 minus 4 is really 3. It stays positive 3 because, oops, I messed up there, because we had more positives. And then I need to multiply by 2, the exact number on the denominator. So s is equal to 6, positive 6. And then we'll do one more for good measure just to get it in your head. We add -4, add -4. Notice I'm putting -4, putting plus -4. Those cancel out. I get a over 9 is equal to positive 6. Again, different signs subtract. Keep the sign that we have more. So this is not 10 plus 4, 14, and then I have a negative. It's just -14. It's 10 minus 4, which is 6, and now I have more positive, so that's why it stays positive 6. And now I times by 9, and a is equal to 54. And 54 is your answer. And if you plug it back in, 54 divided by 9 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. It all makes sense. You can go ahead and skip that one, and go ahead and make sure you get both buzz math done for today.